Hello, everyone, and welcome back. I'm Val Marguerite, and today we are going to talk about the power of mindfulness practice. Before we do, I'd like to remind you to subscribe to my channel and to hit that bell down below. So now let's talk about how to practice mindfulness to stay present and focused. Now, mindfulness is the practice of being fully present, acknowledging what's going on in your head, what's going on around you without any sort of judgment. To harness the transformative power of mindfulness, I want to share with you 3 tips that I use in my personal life. And every successful person that I know and read about, they have a mindfulness practice in their daily routine. And I don't see why you can't do the same. So the first one is a daily mindfulness practice. Start each day with mindfulness rituals that ground you in the present moment. It can be 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes. It doesn't matter. We have to start somewhere. And as you will see, when you begin, if you're a beginner, at the beginning, it's going to be a bit challenging, but don't give up, because this is one of the secrets to focus and certainly to success. Number 2, stay present in your tasks. Imagine if you are going to begin living your life with intention, being mindful in everything you do, mindful eating, mindful walking, mindful talking, right? So this will give you control over the things you can control. Like, for example, with eating, I stop at about 80%. When I feel like, I am full, 80%, that's good enough. Because if I continue eating mindlessly, guess what? I don't feel good after that. And probably you share the same sentiment. So mindful, doing everything in a mindful way. And the last one is to cultivate gratitude. Let me tell you, this is a life-changing, transformative tool to just be grateful of everything you have in your life today, not in 5 years tomorrow, but today and every day. Develop this gratitude journaling, if you will. I journal every morning and every night, and it doesn't take long, just a minute or 2 minutes or however long you want. Just think about all the blessings you have in your life, the people, the things, your health, yourself. Just be grateful. Look at the world with a grateful heart, and your life will transform forever. So that's it for today about how to practice mindfulness to really transform your life. More about this in our Goal Mastery course. I invite you to check it out and learn more. And please share your thoughts on this video. Did you like it? Is it useful? Let me know. I would love to hear from you. So that's it for today. I will be back tomorrow. I'm Val Marguerite, and I wish you a